Hey, today we are talking about how to practice Ho'oponopono for your career. And for that, we have the queen of Ho'oponopono with us on popular demand. Indu ma'am is here today. A lot of people have been facing problems with career. Problems like not able to get a job, or after getting a job, not getting a promotion. Some people are having problems in the job with the boss, not getting along with clients.
पहले मैं 4 सेंटेंसेस बताती हूँ. आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी.
Thank you.
आई नो आपके अंदर भी आपकी जो नेगेटिविटी होगी.
हाँ, वो क्या है बोलता?
So for example, say you're worried, you're now attracting something negative because of your worry. There might be some blockages because of which you're not getting.
Negative energy living within us. How to clear that? She's going to show us now. Hey, today we are talking about how to practice Ho'oponopono for your career. And for that, we have the queen of Ho'oponopono with us on popular demand. Indu ma'am is here today.
Popular demand.
Popular demand, of course. Right. So, those of you who don't know us, my name is Mitesh Khatri and this is
Indu Khatri.
And we are law of attraction coaches and national best-selling authors of this book, The Law of Attraction. Today, we are practicing one technique of law of attraction called as Ho'oponopono. Now, those of you who don't know what is Ho'oponopono, Indu will explain right now what it is. Don't worry about it. And we are going to use, because she's already looking at me, because I have to tell, yeah, she has to tell. Now, we're not only going to learn what is Ho'oponopono, we're also going to learn how to use Ho'oponopono specifically for your career. A lot of people have been facing problems with career. Problems like not able to get a job, or after getting a job, not getting a promotion. Some people are having problems in the job with the boss, not getting along with clients. Many people are struggling in their business. It may not be related to a job. Income is not growing in business. Income is stuck at a particular level. या पैसा market में अटक गया है. You've given money to some vendor and the money is not coming back. So many people have problems in their career related to all these issues. Today, Indu is going to show you how to stop having these problems and release all that negativity and attract positive things in your life, in your career. But before that, क्या है Ho'oponopono?
Okay, we must have made almost 12 videos on it.
आज फिर बता देते हैं.
But फिर भी Ho'oponopono is a Hawaiian technique. It's a prayer which when you use it, it clears your energy. It actually helps you take responsibility of whatever is happening in your life and it clears your energy. It's a very
So when you say clears your energy, what does it mean?
It means, look at it this way, that you have a road going on and there are a lot of things in between, like a jigsaw puzzle. You have some stone, some carpet, some vehicle. So when you're walking, you'll be walking like this, right? But imagine this, now everything is cleared. And then you'll go straight.
वो तो रोड पे मेरे अंदर क्या क्लियर होगा?
आपके अंदर भी आपकी जो नेगेटिविटी होगी.
हाँ, वो क्या है बोलता?
So for example, say you're worried, you're now attracting something negative because of your worry, fear.
So in career, what are they going to clear?
So in
So let's say job नहीं मिल रहा, तो क्या clear कर रहे हैं?
So blockage of not getting the job, and not attracting.
All the worries about not having a job.
Worry, fear,
self-doubt,
not worth it types, or
feeling sad,
deserving me. There are a lot of things. There might be some blockages because of which you're not getting.
So all the negative emotions, right? Or the negative thinking also.
Everything. Thinking, feeling, thoughts, beliefs, actions.
Right. So remember 4 things. FTBA. Feelings, thoughts, beliefs and actions, which are negative energy living within us. How to clear that, she's going to show us now. Okay. तो ये सबके लिए करेंगे, जॉब, बिजनेस, करियर, एवरीथिंग.
पहले मैं 4 सेंटेंसेस बताती हूँ.
हाँ बताओ. Ho'oponopono के 4 सेंटेंसेस है, मैम बताएगी.
बेसिक सेंटेंस.
हाँ बता.
So I'm sorry.
मेरा वाला सीक्वेंस. हाँ.
I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Thank you.
I love you.
हाँ, ये वाला ठीक है.
ठीक है.
Okay. वापस बोल. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you.
Okay. So now the gist of it is that you are not getting the job, you are not happy with the job, you are not happy with the bosses, you are not happy with work or client or business, whatever is happening.
Correct.
In your life around the career. You are responsible for it. Nobody else is responsible. Neither your boss, nor your circumstances, nor your kismat. कुछ नहीं responsible. Everything is you are responsible.
Correct.
And when you take the responsibility of it and you say, yes, I am responsible for it in your language,
I am 100% responsible for my career. Correct? मेरा language. ठीक है. So remember this. Ho'oponopono always starts with that statement. I am responsible for my career. Specifically, since we are talking about career today, but let's say if you're using it for other areas also, you will say, I am responsible for my relationships.
Situation.
Yeah, that situation. I am responsible for that situation. But for today, let's say I am responsible for my career is how you will start. And you're going to say, I take 100% responsible
for
my
current
career.
situation in my career.
For current situation in my career. So once again, I am responsible for my career. I am 100% responsible for any situation in my career right now.
Right.
And now you say the four statements in the way she shows it.
Yeah. Then you can say whatever comes to your mind. I'll say the plain.
पहले normal
हाँ,
sequence,
plain-
basic हो.
बेसिक बताती हूँ, फिर सिचुएशंस के हिसाब से भी थोड़ा आता है. सो प्लेन विल बी आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी, थैंक यू एंड आई लव. Just chant this for 108 times. But before starting to chant 108 times, say this very loudly, very clearly. I take 100% responsibility for the current situation of my career.
पहले एक बार बोलना है. तो 108 times इसको बोलने की जरूरत
नहीं,
We say that responsibility statement one time.
but
और
say
फिर
it loudly, really loudly, so that your conscious mind also hears.
Your neighbor doesn't have to hear it,
But you have
but you have to hear it very loudly. Okay, that loudly. And then 108 times hope knock knock.
yes.
तो वो क्या मतलब हुआ? 108 times each statement या पूरा एक राउंड?
पूरा एक राउंड.
तो एक राउंड कैसा होता है वापस बताओ?
आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी, थैंक यू, आई लव.
तो ये एक राउंड हुआ.
एक हाँ कैप्सूल हो गया.
108 times इसको करना.
108 times. Okay, use Mala to do it. You can do whatever way you want counting, but you do it 108 times.
We've also made a video for you guys on YouTube. We'll give the link to that in the description or in the I sign above. Go to that video. We've said 108 times hope knock no, so you don't have to count. Let our video
You can
play.
do that as well.
Ayan and Indu are saying, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you 108 times. You can say it with us if you want to as part of that video. So ये दिन में 2 बार करना है कि एक बार?
एक बार करें तो काफी.
एक बार का काफी है. मॉर्निंग में या इवनिंग?
I prefer more.
मॉर्निंग बिकॉज
I'm a
करियर के लिए
morning
काम
person.
शुरू होता है मॉर्निंग में.
I'm a morning person.
So क्या होगा अगर इसको 108 times every morning people do 108 times hope no? What will happen?
So there are two things will happen. First, your energy will start clearing. You will start getting centered about it. You will start understanding what is happening. You will start getting opportunities to say find a job or to work closely with your bosses or clients. You'll also start getting opportunities in business. So you will start getting opportunities. So the road is clearing and
देखो.
the visibility is increasing.
So many results. Now some of you are thinking कि ये सब exactly होगा कैसे? Take your right hand, give yourself a tappu. इतना logic नहीं लगाना है. Okay? Just use the technique. In law of attraction, we don't ask how too much. Use the magic because this magic works in a world called what we like to call as the 4-dimension world, जहाँ पे logic नहीं काम करता. So don't use too much logic. Just do what she's saying. 108 times morning में आप उठने के बाद में hope no करो for your career. And while doing it, you just have to remember mentally that you're doing it for your career. Correct?
Yeah.
अरे इसलिए पहली बार हमने वो statement भी बोला है. कौन सा statement?
I take 100% responsibility for the current situation in my career.
Perfect. So now that you've taken responsibility, 108 times hope no बोल दिया. Now you can get to do your work.
Yeah, but during the day, important ये नहीं है कि सुबह में आप क्या करें. Important ये है कि आप during the day how are you behaving. Now during the day when you are actually
चिंता तो होगी, टेंशन होगा.
बहुत सारी चीजें होगी. चिंता
तब होप
होगी,
नो कैसे यूज करें?
कोई क्वेश्चन करेगा, कुछ भी होगा. There are a lot of things. रिजेक्शन आएगा, इंटरव्यू कॉल जो आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे नहीं आया, या इंटरव्यू कॉल आया बट यू वर नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड, यू एंडेड अप गिविंग रॉन्ग आंसर. कुछ भी हो सकता है. देयर कैन बी एन नंबर ऑफ सिचुएशंस. नाउ इन दोज सिचुएशंस इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग अरे इंदु मैम ने बोला था होप नो अपना काम करेगा, काम नहीं कर रहा है.
नहीं,
काम कर रहा है, इसलिए आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी आई.
ये याद करो इंदु मैम ने उस समय पे क्या करने बोला, वो करो. क्या बोलना है?
अब ये बोलना है कैंसिल व्हाटएवर थॉट कम्स, व्हाटएवर फीलिंग,
एनी नेगेटिविटी से कैंसिल.
कुछ भी आया तो कैंसिल बोलना है. And replace it with either 5 gratitude or hope no. My personal favorite is hope no. So replace it with a hope no. Say cancel, and after you say cancel, just replace it with hope no.
कैसे? एग्जांपल, मान लो मैंने अभी इंटरव्यू के लिए अप्लाई किया और मुझे जस्ट ईमेल आया कि आई एम नॉट बीन सिलेक्टेड.
हाँ.
सो इंस्टेड ऑफ फीलिंग बैड क्या करना है मुझे? वापस बोलो.
Cancel.
तो बोलो कैंसिल और उसके बाद
Say I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Simple.
Perfect.
And say this 4-5 times. तब तक के दिमाग कुछ और सोचने लग जाएगा, बात कर.
So this, whenever you say during the day, जब कुछ गलत होगा, कैंसिल बोलने से that negative energy goes away. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you बोलने से positive energy comes in and it washes out all the negative energy. That is one. The more you do this during the day, any negative energy, you're always transforming it into positive energy. And as a result of that, because your frequency has now become positive, the chances of you attracting a job is much higher. Your hard work starts helping you.
Yes.
So this is for, let's say, getting a job.
Huh.
How can we use this for somebody who's watching this, who's doing a business? Or
It is same thing.
increase नहीं हो रही है इनकम, तो कैसे करेंगे?
Same चीज.
अच्छा, पहले तो मॉर्निंग में 108 times.
Morning 108 times.
So I am 100% responsible for any
the
situation
current
in my
situation
business.
in my business.
In my business. ठीक है?
Current situation in my business.
And then hope no 108.
And 108 times hope.
और दिन में मान लो बिजनेस करते समय बिजनेस कर रहे हैं और कस्टमर नहीं आए. So what do you do?
So बहुत सिंपल है. अगर मान लो आज हम वेबिनार कर रहे हैं. Since we are coaches, we are talking webinar language. We are doing webinar and there are no
वेबिनार में कम लोग हैं
there are no conversion.
और कन्वर्जन कम हुआ.
लोग आए. So simple. पूरा वेबिनार श्रद्धा से खत्म करो. उसके बाद में से कैंसिल and replace it with hope no.
I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you.
I love you. And keep doing this for like 5 times, 7 times, 11 times. Don't get into counting. Just do it. After a few minutes, you will forget that you were chanting and you will get busy with some other thought. Maybe you'll think, अरे हाँ वेबिनार में ये करना चाहिए था, ये नहीं किया, whatever. That thought will come. Then you will realize, okay, you could have done this. So tomorrow you are more prepared for it.
Correct. Look at it this way. कभी भी कुछ नेगेटिव होता है, you're covering that with beautiful positive energy. क्यों? That positive energy transforms that negativity into a blessing rather than a problem. It converts the problem into an opportunity. जब frequency better होगी तो अच्छी चीजें attract करोगे. So an example of that is when an Hindu is angry many times, instead of arguing with her, I'll go and give her a hug and I'll kiss her. Now, एक बार में नहीं होता है, 3-4 बार किस करना पड़ता है जब जाके कुछ काम बनता है. 3-4 बार हग करना पड़ता है तब जाके कुछ काम बनता है. The point is, if you replace anger with love, doesn't it work? It does. Just like that, during the day, every time something negative is going to happen or it's happened already, simply say cancel. Use the hands also, it works. Cancel and say I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. So ये दो सिचुएशन हो गए, जॉब अट्रैक्ट करने का और बिजनेस का. अब करियर में ये भी प्रॉब्लम होता है कि लोगों के साथ बॉस की नहीं बनती, बॉस इज ट्रबलिंग मी अ लॉट.
अब वो तो बहुत
कैसे करेंगे?
बहुत ही सिंपल है वो तो. When you go to work, when you are gone to work.
अच्छा, बॉस के लिए भी सुबह 108 टाइम्स करना है?
कर सकते हैं
कि करना चाहिए?
सिचुएशन के लिए करना ही है.
हाँ.
मतलब इफ यू आस्क मी करना ही है.
तो बताओ फिर.
हाँ, 108 टाइम्स करना ही है. मतलब I do it 5 times in the morning. 108 multiplied by 5 times every day. So anyway, so going back to the boss, when you go to work, you say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Just keep chanting that. Whenever you see him, whenever you talk to him, just chant. If you have a skill,
जोर से नहीं, मन में.
हाँ.
तो ऐसा नहीं कि सामने बॉस को देख रहे हो I love you बोल दो. ऐसा नहीं होगा.
If you have a schedule, थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो जाएगा.
right? So be careful. हाँ, तो बॉस सामने आया, मन में क्या बोलना है?
हाँ, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you.
क्या होगा इससे?
इससे आपकी एनर्जी क्लीन हो जाएगी.
एग्जाम्पल, मैं भी ऑफिस गया और मुझे बॉस से वैसे ही बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम है और मन में मैंने बोला आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी, थैंक यू, आई लव यू. क्या होगा इससे?
इससे आपका और आपके बॉस के बीच में जो भी बिकॉज ऑफ यू क्रिपिंग कंप्लेनिंग एंड ही क्रिपिंग एंड कंप्लेनिंग देयर वाज अ टेंशन. दैट टेंशन विल गेट डिसॉल्व्ड.
क्लियर.
एंड वी हैव अ एग्जांपल. रिमेंबर द अदर डे there is a lady who joined recently Platinum. She was having a big challenge in dealing with her boss, remember? And she had taken some loan from the bank. She works for a bank, and from the same bank she took loan.
बहुत बड़ा example.
She took loan and she was complaining that boss is not cooperating. और वो मुझे बोल रहे कि मेरे जॉब में आप लोन नहीं पे करोगे तो आपको लीगल नोटिस आएगा वगैरह वगैरह.
काफी बड़ा प्रॉब्लम था.
बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम थी. दिस गर्ल एंड लोन ज़्यादा बड़ा भी नहीं था, 10 लाख का ही लोन था, बट बहुत ज़्यादा उसको बड़ा हो गया था बिकॉज ये लड़की भी क्रिप कर रही थी उस बॉस के लेके.
So there was a lot of negative energy between her and the boss.
हाँ, it happens. So then this lady came, she spoke to us, we gave her the solution. She decided to chant Hope Movement.
By taking responsibility every time she's thought about the boss.
Yeah. Incidentally, it was a Friday. So what she did, Friday night, Saturday and Sunday, which was a weekend, she just chanted Hope Movement. Every time the thought of the boss came, she just chanted Hope Movement. ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाया. She's a new member. कुछ एडवांस होप नोप भी नहीं किया, बेसिक होप नोप उन्होंने चैंट किया.
एग्जाम्पल कैसे किया होगा बताओ?
बहुत सिंपल है. मतलब
बॉस की याद आई,
थॉट आया, आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी, थैंक यू, आई लव यू. लोन का याद आया, आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी, थैंक यू, आई लव यू.
फिर वो लीगल नोटिस का
याद आया, आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी, थैंक यू, आई लव यू. ये सब किया उन्होंने. मंडे मॉर्निंग उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि मैं आज जाके आराम से बॉस से बात करती हूँ. प्रॉपर मीटिंग शेड्यूल किया. She went, she spoke to him. She told him very clearly, honestly, that I want to pay you back. It's not that I don't want to pay the loan, but right now I don't have money to pay loan. Please give me some time to make payment. I promise I will make payment. Believe it or not, it's the same boss who was ready to send her legal notice on Thursday decided to give her 1 year of extension.
पूरा एक साल.
वो ही नहीं, icing on the cake. is that he reduced her interest rate from 22% to 10%.
Socho, less than half.
So then, ज़्यादा details है नहीं, I will not get into it. But that happened. She saved 12% of interest rate on 10 lakh rupees ka loan, and she got 1 year of extension, and she came out of that meeting happy. And what did she do? Between Friday evening till Monday morning,
Lots
she
of hope
just
no for the
chanted
boss.
hope no.
अरे एक और मजे की बात है इसमें. So she had got actually
हाँ, she had got a job.
The part is she had got a job where her salary was going to increase by 50%. But her boss was not willing to let her go because loan उसी बैंक से लिया था जहाँ वो काम कर रही थी. So the boss said, "I'll not let you go." After this meeting,
हाँ.
the boss said, not only will they reduce the interest rate by 22%, give 1 year of extension, and she can go and take that job so she can recover the money fast.
She can go give the money fast.
So she's got that new job also.
So look at the number of results she got. She got extension of for her loan payment. She got reduction on interest rate by like 12% reduction.
That's a lot.
That's a lot of money. मेरा पूरा platinum का fees निकल गया. Then she also got a new job where she happily went. She joined and she's now making double the salary. And she's paying them also. She's very happy.
And now she
All
knows that.
this happened only by chanting, sorry, again, thank you.
And now the best part is now if anything like this happens wrong in her career again, she knows what to do.
Yeah.
She just has to practice hope knock every single day in her life. So what do? Let's do a recap. Morning mein 108 times hope knock by saying the statement, I take 100% responsibility for whatever is going on in my career right now. Then 108 times आप बोलोगे, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Either माला लेके खुद ही याद कर लो 108 times बोलने के लिए. What is a mala? You remember those bits मम्मी लोग यूज करते हैं, दादा दादी यूज करते हैं. तो use that bit. It's easy. She uses it. Believe me, it's very easy because you're counting one at a time, so you don't forget. Or use our video from YouTube. During the day, negative thoughts आएंगे आपको करियर को लेके, negative emotions आएंगे. Wash them out. How do you wash them out?
Right.
Positive energy. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. करके तो देखो. I always love to say बॉम्ब थोड़ी फूटने वाला.
Exactly.
करके तो देखो.
There are no side effects.
There are no side effects. हाँ, लोग कितने सारे टोटके यूज करते हैं. एक हमारा टोटका यूज कर लो. इसमें तो आपको ना पैसे लगने हैं, ना ज्यादा कुछ टाइम लगना है, और ना इसका कोई साइड इफेक्ट है. करके देखो, और जब जॉब मिल जाएगा, जब प्रमोशन हो जाएगा, जब इनकम बढ़ जाएगी, तो शेयर कर देना, मिठाई भी भेज देना, फ्लावर्स भी भेज देना. आपको कहाँ बुरा लगने वाला है?
Share definitely कर देना, मुझे अच्छा लगता है. Then I can share your story with somebody else.
Yes, we'd love to do that. So please come back to this video, come to the comment section later and tell us what result did you get by practicing Hope Knock Knock for your career. And yes, if you want to be part of our complete Hope Knock Knock certification course, where we teach you how to use advanced Hope Knock Knock. This is basic, by the way. There is something called advanced Hope Knock Knock, जहाँ पे रिजल्ट 10 गुना आते हैं.
बहुत
ज़्यादा. मतलब हम वहीं के वहीं वर्कशॉप में लाइव पीपल रिमूव लिमिटिंग ब्लॉक्स फॉर देयर करियर, फाइनेंशियल ब्लॉक्स खत्म हो जाते हैं वहीं पे, रिलेशनशिप प्रॉब्लम्स वहीं खत्म हो जाते हैं. Lot of people during those 2 days, I know a couple who was going through a divorce situation. They became part of the Hope Knock Knock certification. Divorce cancel कर दिया because जो सारे negative emotions थे heal होने लग गए वर्कशॉप में. Best part is lot of people who have health problems. There and then during the workshop, लोगों की health problems solve होनी शुरू हो जाती है. What is this Hope Knock Knock Healer certification? Why is it so powerful? Below this video in the description, we've got a link for you. Click on that link, register now. The first lesson of Hope Knock Knock we are giving you free as a gift from our side. Please attend, take advantage of it. Whether you join the workshop after or not, I promise you, this one lesson free which we are giving you will give you tears of joy experience.
Absolutely.
And one of the best experiences of their life.
One of the best experiences.
So take advantage of that Hope Knock Knock free lesson.
Delivers it really beautifully.
देखा ना, जब वाइफ बोलती है तो सुन लिया करो कि पति अच्छा काम कर रहा है. All right, with that, if you loved what you heard today, please use it. Share this with minimum 3 of your friends so they can also take advantage. And subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell.
Hit the bell icon.
Hit the bell icon.
Ring the bell. Bell बजा सकते हो आप. Bell बजा दो. Ring the bell. So once you hit the bell icon, you'll get notification for our next video. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care. Keep practicing.
And if you want any other video, if you want us to make any other video, write. We'll be happy to make video.
See you soon. Bye bye.